Let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 17x plus 21 over x squared minus 1. We want to determine the continuity, and if there's any discontinuities, indicate if they're removable. Well, we got a rational function. When you got a fraction, you got a variable in the denominator, that's a rational function. You always set your denominator equal to 0. So we got x squared minus 1 equal to 0. Now this factors, using the difference two squares, as x plus 1 times x minus 1. Zero factor property says you get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set x plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So we get x equals negative 1 and x is equal to positive 1. Now these are discontinuities. We'll come back in a few minutes to take a look at the removable or non-removable. But let's write down our continuity while we're here. We start with negative infinity, comma, we go to our smallest number, which is negative 1. Union, go from our smallest number, which is negative 1, to our largest number, which is 1. Union, and then we go from our largest number to positive infinity. Or you could write x cannot equal to negative 1 and 1. Okay, now let's take a look at the removable versus non-removable. If I factor the top and bottom of my fraction, top is the key number. Bottom, we already said, was difference two squares. Let's see, what does this become? 2x, x. This is x plus 1, x minus 1. Let's see, I'll put a 7 here. 3, that'll work. Double check that. 2x squared, negative 14x, negative 17x, plus 21. Okay, factors like that. Now notice after I factor the top and factor the bottom, nothing cancels. They're completely different. So since nothing cancels, both of these are non-removable. Only if you had one of them cancel away. If one of them cancel away, that one would be removable. Otherwise, by default, they're non-removable. Non-removable, they don't cancel. So those are answers.